Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report eBay seller. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the eBay app. From here, you need to tap on My eBay from the bottom bar and then scroll down and tap on Bids and Offers. From here, you will get to see all your bids and offers. So tap to open the one where you want to report eBay seller. From here, you need to tap on Contact Seller. After that, tap on the name of the seller on the top. Here, you will get to see all the items that the seller has. And if you tap on About, you will get to know more about the seller. You can also tap on Feedback to check out the feedback of the seller. Now, go back to Chat. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on Report Message. After that, they'll ask you why you're reporting this message, so select the reason that you want. For now, I'll select Scam. You can also describe your issue in the box. To show you guys, I'll type in something in the box. And once you're done, all you need to do is tap on Send. And that is how you can report an eBay seller. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.